Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare a flat beans recipe, that is the seam recipe. So flat beans is also known as seam in Hindi. So here I have taken half a kilo of seam and I have washed and cut them nicely like this. Here I have taken green peas. This is one bowl of green peas, that is near about 300 grams of green peas. Here I have taken uh, two medium-sized onions and I have sliced them. Four medium-sized potatoes and I have cubed them. Tomatoes I have taken. Two medium-sized tomatoes and I have chopped them roughly. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 1/4 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon. Here I'll be using pachforon, and this is 3 dried red chili that I'll be using in my recipe. Salt as per our taste, and I'll be preparing my recipe with mustard oil. So now let's get started. First we will heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then we will add the pachforon into it. Let it crackle for some time. Then I'm going to add the dried red chilies and then the sliced onion. I will saute the onion till it becomes slightly translucent. As our onion got slightly cooked, so I'll be adding the ginger garlic paste. And I will cook this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. Friends, I am cooking on medium flame right now because this might get burnt. After sauteing the ginger garlic paste, I will add the potatoes to this. Just mix it. After mixing it, add the tomatoes. And now I will cook this for a minute. After sauteing the potatoes for 1 minute, you can see the tomatoes have left water. I'm going to add the green peas. I'll mix it. And then now I will add the flat beans. I'll increase the flame and I will fry this like this for another 2 minutes. Now it has got a little fried texture, so I'm going to add the dried spices to this. That is the coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. I will add salt as per our taste. I will mix it. After mixing the spices, I'm going to put the lid and let it get cooked for another 3 minutes like this. Now we'll open the lid, friends, and as you can see, it's almost cooked. So now I will cook like this on a medium flame for another 5 minutes so that the recipe has a nice fry texture to it. So I'm going to fry this like this for another 5 minutes. Now friends, as you can see, after frying it for some time, oil started coming out. That means our recipe is ready. So I'm going to put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So friends, here is our very yummy Sem Aloo and Matar ki sabji ready. That is flat beans, potatoes and green peas. Recipe is ready now. Trust me, it has a lovely aroma because of the pachforon, and also it will taste very yummy. So do try this recipe out, friends. If you liked my recipe, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. You can serve this recipe with plain boiled rice or rotis made at home. Very simple recipe, friends. Hope to see you soon. Bye.